where Schultz had to go down against Ben Johnston. Where Sparta time Schultz lost to Damian Pinas, but destroyed Mario Mingai. Then a White Contender Series, that Sulev stretch was brutal. The guy is a world-class submission guy. Unfortunately, he was unable to drop Damian Pinas, who knocked him out cold. On the other side, Ben Johnston is also good on the ground, so I believe this is going to be a ground slugfest, and I believe it could turn into a technical fight. If you're asking me about what happens, well, I believe this is going to be a long war. I know that West Schultz nearly survived Mansoor Abdul Malik. He lost in round 2 via ground and pound, but Ben Johnston is more technical. I see it as a technical war going all the way. I'm gonna say fight starts round 3. If I must pick a side, I would rather go with West Schultz if I must pick a side, but I'm not going to be super confident about this fight coming up. I'm really, really unsure about it. Let's see.